Right, what I've basically done is made it twice as wide. I've strengthened it round here, like double thickness of plastic almost, so that that won't break because there's a notch in there. I've changed the loop a bit on here, try to cut off any sharp corners, so if you put it in your pocket it's not going to damage it. Right, I'm going to give this a blow now, so if you've got headphones on, watch out because this is much better than the previous model I did. I'm making, well, remix I did, I should. So if you've got headphones on, watch out because I'm about to blow this. This is much better than the previous remix I did. I blow quite firmly. Yeah, I'm taking that, do that again. Let me do what I did with the previous remix I did. Started off blowing gently and then increased. Because it's a bigger thing, you having to blow quite firm because it takes a lot more air. But the previous remix I started off blowing gently and then build up. Right, that's if I blow really hard. So as you can hear there, it works a lot better. Some like indents here to put your lips in. There we are.